So let's talk about the actual VA guideline, okay? Credit history. So basically when we're underwriting a file, anything over 600, 9 out of 10 times the computer likes it and accepts it. There are some occurrences where the computer's like no, and then we have to do what's known as a VA manual underwrite. VA manual underwrites, we love them. They have more rules. They have more that they want from you. You know, yes, you're jumping through some hoops, but it's because the computer said, I don't know about this. I don't think so. I can't say yes to this. So a human has to look at additional documentation to justify your ability to repay, because that's what an underwriter's underwriting off of, your ability to repay based on all of the data they can collect. So under 600, you're going to be a manual underwrite. Like, I think there's been 2 that haven't been a manual underwrite. On a manual underwrite, there are 2 big things. No lates within the last year on your basic credit cards, car payments, student loans. No housing lates within the last 2 years, okay? Now, look, it's important to note that different companies have different rules on VA manual underwrites to some extent. So the VA guides themselves do say this. They say that if someone has had multiple lates within the last 2 years of housing, it does show that they're not ready for a housing payment. Like, it's in the guides. But, you know, there is a lender I know that sometimes will do stuff that I can't. So the key is this: any lates within the last year on everything that's not housing lates within the last 2 years. So if you go, well, what if I'm a renter? I hope you've been paying your rent on time for the last 2 years. Period.